Welcome guys, let me show you one of the benefits of following a particular strategy and a particular pair or volatility index. This is volatility 10 index and I have been on this volatility 10 index over some months now, only on volatility 10 index, and I have been making consistent profit. I have made over 3-4 thousands of dollars over the past 3 months on volatility 10 index. Now let me show you one of the benefits of following a particular indices or pair. If you are trading forex, if you are trading currencies, focus on one particular pair with one particular strategy. If you are trading volatility, focus on one particular volatility index. Now this is volatility 10 index. For over 3 months I have been on this particular pair. Now let me show you how important it is and how rewarding it is to follow a particular pair or a particular market or a particular volatility index with a particular strategy and on one particular time frame. Now this is my charts. I will start from now. When you go back, I have been on this. Look at it. Look at this from here. This is December. This is the first week of December. This is December 2nd. Look at it. Now I want to show you something. This is December 2nd. This is what December 2nd. Look at the dates. December 2nd, 2022. I want to show you look at this. Are you seeing it? This is December 2nd, 2022. Now I want to show you one of the benefits of following a particular strategy and utilizing it on a particular pair. Now this is volatility 10 index. For over months now I have been on this with one particular strategy. With this particular strategy I'm about to show you now. Now over here I have been trading with this particular strategy on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? I made entry here. Now let me show you how far I have gone. All of this was my profit. In December. Now I follow the same thing. Look here, I also make sell. When it goes here, I also make sell from here. I also made sell here at this point. I also made sell, and this is what I still made a lot of profit here. As you can see, look at the crossing there. I still made a lot of profit from this particular entry here. Now it continues. Now watch here. I entered here. Now look at this. I made entry here, but you see that here at this particular point, the movement was not smooth, so it hit my stop loss here. So I let it go. Now I continue with this particular strategy. This is one of the benefits of following a particular strategy. You see that my trade is still running. My trade is still running. Now let me show you. When you get here, I still make my entry here. Look at this. I still made my entry here and made a lot of profit here. You see, I'm still on one particular pair. Since last year December, I'm still on one particular pair. Are you seeing it? So that is the essence of following a particular strategy. The chances of you blowing your account is very, very minimal. You understand? I still made profit here. I still following the same. Now look here, watch here. When you get to this point, see this type of movements here, you cannot avoid it. You cannot avoid it. Do you understand? So at some point in time, you might hit your stop loss. So once the direction changes, you move out and enter the opposite. If it hits your stop loss, keep on flowing wherever it is going, keep on flowing it. Do you understand? That is the secret. Now I'm still flowing it. Now here, look here, I'm still make my entry here. After the few hitting of stop loss, I still continue with this particular trade, this particular strategy on volatility 10 index. I still continue with it without changing time frame, without changing strategy, and you see it, the profit continue moving. Are you seeing it? So after that, I continue moving. Now watch here, this entry here, look at this small crossing here. It might hit your stop loss here. If you are using small account, it might hit your stop loss here, but you don't worry, keep on flowing the market. Now watch here, keep on flowing the market. Watch here. Now when you enter sell here, when you enter sell here, the market moves in your favor and you will record a lot of profit. You make your entry here, do you understand, and you are on huge profit. Do you understand? This is how you keep on growing your account. Have you seen it? This is how you keep on growing your account using one particular strategy or one particular volatility index or one particular pair. Do you understand? Don't switch time frame. One time frame, one strategy, one particular pair. Have you seen it? So I continue working on this volatility 10 index. All these movements, all this downward movement were my profit. Do you understand? Now I continue moving. Now at this point, look at this. When you encounter some stuffs like this, there's no way you will avoid them. There's no way you do avoid them. You are stop. If you are using small account, it might hit your stop loss. Once it hits your stop loss, do not. The only thing is that when you are trading, make sure that you embrace what is called risk management. Do you understand? Risk management. Always use the lowest lot size or use small lot size according to your capital. Do you understand? So when you encounter this loss, when your stop loss is being hit at this point, at these areas like this, it will not affect your accounts. Do you understand? So despite the market hitting your stop loss at this point, because when you encounter stocks like this, it normally hit stop loss. Do you understand? So you keep on flowing the trade, you keep on flowing the strategy. Are you getting it? So once it gets here, look here. So those losses you encounter here, you will recover it and make massive profit. Are you seeing it? That is one of the secrets of using a particular strategy, flowing a particular strategy on one pair. Do you understand? Some losses will come, that's by hitting your stop loss, but one great move will cover everything and you will remain in profit. Are you seeing it? So this is what excess profit. As you can see, my profit is still reading. So I still following the trend. Now watch here. This is the current trend. This is the current market where I made my entry. Look here. I'm supposed to make my entry here. This is where I'm supposed to make my entry. Look at it. I'm supposed to make my sell entry. My sell entry is supposed to be somewhere here. My sell entry is supposed to be somewhere here, but I was busy then, so I once I open my chart and I look at the trend and I made my entry, and I made my entry at this point, my profit would have been double now, but I made late entry. I made it here. You can see that we are still on downtrend, so my profit is still reading. Are you seeing it? So this is how, for over a month now, this is how I grow my account. I have made over $3 to $35. Do you understand? So that is it. That is one of the benefits of using a particular strategy on a pair. Do you understand? So that is it. Choose a particular pair, choose a particular strategy, make use of it often, and you will see yourself maintaining consistent profits. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit.